Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. And today we're checking out this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is black, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Venom power tires. This 2023 also comes with a sports package and a tow package. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera, and a power tailgate. Here we have power locks, mirrors, and windows, and as you move closer into the cabin you will see our gray cloth seating with adjustments out the side. Over at our steering column we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right our median hands-free options. Looking at our features, we have a driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Settings, vehicle hotspot, Ford assistance, 911 assist, sync navigation, connectivity, audio. We have AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth audio. And below is our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. Dual cup holders, gear shift, storage. At the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. Are there any more questions about this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT? Please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.